Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, hi, I'm Brittany. Welcome to my channel. I'm so glad you're here today. So today we're filming a very exciting video. We're going to be doing a Ulta haul. Super excited to show you guys what I got. And so if you want to see this video, let's go ahead and get into it. Alright guys, so the first thing I ended up picking up, I ordered online. This is the Too Faced Gingerbread Spice eyeshadow palette. I'm super excited about this. I do already have a video on this palette on my channel where I do all the swatches, I do my first impression, and I also do a makeup look. I am wearing this eyeshadow palette on my eyes right now, but I do a different look in that video, so make sure you do watch that. I will have it in the cards right here if you guys want to see it. But with that being said, I did get a free gift with Too Faced. I'll go ahead and show you that now. So they gave me this really adorable bag. Let me go ahead and open it for you. I think if you spent $40, you got this bag, and I was so excited that I was gonna get it because usually with bags, I'm never like excited about them. I'm just like, oh, it's just another bag. But when I saw this, like, do you guys see how freaking adorable it is? It's freaking huge as well. But it just says Tutti Fruiti and it has all the fruits on it, and it's a clear kind of pink bag, as you guys can see. I don't know what I'm going to use it for yet, just because it looks like a summery bag, maybe like to take on the beach or something. Maybe when me and Christian go on a really tropical vacation, I'll take this bag, but it is so adorable, so I had to show you guys that. So I did order some beauty stills for the 21 days of beauty going on, and so I ordered 2 of the Dose of Colors liquid lipsticks. These were, I think, 50% off, about $8, so super duper affordable. I'm wearing this one right now. This is the shade Bury Me, and if you haven't tried Dose of Colors liquid lipsticks, they're really good. I love the formula, so let me go ahead and swatch this one. Even though I'm wearing it, I'll still swatch it for you guys. So this is the color Bury Me. It's just a really good color to have for fall. And these do dry really matte, but they're not too drying on the lips. And then the next color that I got was actually a repurchase. I finished the whole tube of one of these. Well, actually I didn't finish all of it. It kind of dried out on me, so I went ahead and tossed it. But this is in the color Pinky Promise, which is a really pretty hot pink. And usually pinks don't look good on me, but this one, for some reason, it just looks so like velvety on the lips, so I love it. And so that is what Pinky Promise looks like. I love that color. Don't you guys just love the Dose of Color packaging? I feel like it's so like classy. It's like in that frosted glass. I just love the outer packaging of these, so I like to display these on my vanity. Okay, so the next thing I got was actually gratis, and it's this little Smashbox bag. I think it's so cute. It's a clear kind of holographic bag, and the Smashbox vendor Crystal gave it to me, so thank you so much, girl. You're so sweet. But I thought it was adorable, so I had to show you guys. So I did get some samples that came with my online order. They gave me the cologne Sauvage from Dior, and I already gave it to Christian, and he really likes it, and so do I. It smells so good on him. So I got that, and then I got a little Clinique sample too. This is the Clinique Liquid Facial Soap. So got a sample of that. Okay, so next up we have some more beauty stills that I decided to pick up. So I picked up the Blender Cleanser Solid from Beauty Blender. I love this for cleaning my sponges. I could get away with brush cleansers, like the actual soaps. For my brushes, that's fine, but for my sponges, I feel like this is the only thing that really gets in there and gets deep into the sponge to clean it out, so I definitely had to repurchase this. It was only $8, and I actually didn't know about this deal until I watched somebody else's video, and I was like, oh my gosh, I have to get that because I was already running out of it, and so I'm so glad I picked that up. Alrighty, and then the next beauty still that I picked up was from Clearasonic. This is the Deep Pore brush head. I just needed to repurchase this. My brush head is way overdue for like a refill, or like I need to throw it away basically. Like it's been way over 6 months. You're supposed to change your brush head every 6 months, and I had mine for over a year. I know it's super bad, but it's just like one of those boring items that you don't want to buy because you'd rather buy like makeup or something else. But this is my favorite one just because I have really large pores, and so I feel like it really gets in there and cleans. So I'm so excited to have a fresh one. And this ended up being 50% off, so I thought to myself, like, you have to buy buy that because you actually need it. Okay, and last but not least, I know this haul video is kind of small, but I just get excited about this stuff, so I really want to share these items with you. So I picked up this kit, and it wasn't a beauty steal, but it did go on clearance at my store. I'm not sure about other Ultas, but you should totally check out the clearance and see if you find this because it was a really good deal. So this retails for $34. It's a $68 value, and it went on sale for 90% off. Plus I got my discount on it, so I got this for like $3, which is crazy. So if you see this at your local Ulta, definitely pick it up. It's a really good deal. So in this kit, it comes with the Primetime Original Primer, the BareMineral's Original Foundation, and then also the BareMineral's Mineral Veil Setting Powder, and then it also comes with a little kabuki brush. And I think honestly the reason why these are going on sale right now just because holidays coming up, and so I feel like they're gonna have lots of holiday kits, so they just kind of want to get rid of the regular kits. And so I would definitely pick it up. So I got the color Golden Ivory 07. And so what I did was I looked at the colors that they had available, and then I went to the BareMinerals section and looked at the testers to see what color I would be. So hopefully this color will match me really well, but I've actually never tried the BareMineral's foundation, and so it's kind of like a cult favorite. It's something that everybody has tried, and so I just really wanted to give it a go, and I thought $3, like why not? Like, why wouldn't you buy it? So this is what the little kit looks like. Super duper cute. And so it does come with the mineral veil, which I'm super excited to try out just because I feel like it's kind of weird. Like, why would you still need to set a powder foundation with a powder? I don't get that. So I don't know, but people love this. Like, sometimes when it goes on sale, people will like, it will go out of stock so fast. So I think it's pretty good. And so you got a, how many ounces is this? A 2 grams, 0.07 ounces. So it's a pretty decent size. And then it also comes with the foundation. Like I said, I got the color Golden Ivory. Let me go ahead and open it so I could show you guys the color. And so I guess I'll go ahead and just swatch the colors so you guys can see what it looks like. If anything, I went a little bit lighter just because lately I've been getting my foundations way too dark because I think I'm tanner than I actually am. But that is what the swatch looks like right there. And like I said, it's in the color Golden Ivory 07. So if you guys see this kit, go ahead and grab it. And then it comes with this little brush. Super cute. Aww. It has like a little circle on the inside. I definitely think that would be good for the foundation. So excited about that. And then last but not least, it came with the primer. Let's go ahead and fill it and see what it feels like. Whoa, mine's like super watery. Maybe I should shake it. Yeah, it just needed to be shooken. It feels like a basic silicone primer, so it should be fine. Kind of feels like the Smashbox original primer. Okay guys, so that's gonna be everything for today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up so I can know to keep filming hauls, even though they're kind of on the smaller side, just because I feel like you guys would still like seeing the products, and I really enjoy filming them, and you guys seem to really like them. So just make sure to give thumbs up so I know to keep doing them. If you have any questions about the products I mentioned today, leave it in the comments down below and I can answer that for you guys. Also, if you're not already subscribed to my channel, BritanyRaquell, go ahead and subscribe before you leave. I do make videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so that's 3 times a week. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye!